Hey guys, it's Joyce here and I hope you're doing great. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money from Warrior Plus. For those who don't know what Warrior Plus is a marketplace where affiliate marketer can apply request owners of products to be their affiliate. And what affiliate marketers do, guys, they promote other people's product and get a commission through it. And many people are doing lots of money through that. And if you want to know more, I do videos on affiliate marketing and help people how to make money online. So if you like more videos such as these, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. What I'll do is I'll send a notification to you whenever I upload a new video about such content. So let's jump right into it. And this is the dashboard of Warrior Plus, and like we said, there are many people that they promote their product and you can request to become their affiliate. So these products, they are mostly make money online, in the make money online niche. What I'll do, I'll just jump right through it. So you go to dashboard, and what you do is you will be given access to your back-end office. So what you do is right here, there's a red button that says your ID name. So you click on that and you go to W Plus Wallet. The next thing that you do is actually when you get paid, when you get your commissions, you will have a delay of about 30 days. So that any person who bought through your affiliate link want to cancel or want a refund, so this money is there so that they can pay the people who are asking for a refund. Now, so what you just do is when the money has been transferred into your account after the 30 days or about 30 days, so you will be given the withdrawal funds. So what you do is you click on withdraw funds and you enter the amount that you want to be withdrawn. And of course, you after registering in the Warrior Plus account, all you need to do is to link your PayPal, and after that it is linked directly here, and you click on withdraw funds. And note that the minimum amount to be withdrawn is $10. So withdraw funds. And it is transferred and it will be allowed up to 48 hours. So this is it, guys. This is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. For those who didn't know how to withdraw money from your Warrior Plus, now you do. So go ahead and give me a like and do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that I can create more contents such as in affiliate marketing and do videos about how you can earn money. So have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.